My name is Azra Benson. I'm the global head of sales with Virica Biotech. We are a startup company located in Ottawa, Canada. We've really enjoyed being here at Advanced Therapies here in London. It was our first time attending this conference, and it was incredibly impactful for multiple reasons. I felt like the conference started off a little bit on, state of the union, state of the field, which has been challenging. There's been a lot of challenges in terms of funding, in terms of hitting the ground running, kind of really moving the needle here at the beginning of 2025. However, over the last 48 hours, the 2 days here in London, there's been a lot of coming together with a lot of themes around sharing, problem solving, and being very collaborative in the efforts to drive to the finish line. So I truly feel like everyone really brought their best selves to the table. There were a lot of really great panel discussions that incited a lot of really colorful conversations from the audience. And that was something unique to see because you don't see that very often. So the engagement was quite nice. Some of the collaborations that are ongoing for Virica Biotech at this moment are we had a shared poster on display here at Advanced Therapies in London with Rythera. They're a CDMO based out of Italy, and we've been doing some work with them over the course of the past year, showcasing and highlighting their proprietary cell line. So that relationship between the two of us has generated some really positive data that made quite a splash here at Advanced Therapies. We got some excellent engagement during the poster session, and it's driven a lot of attention to both Rythera as well as Virica. And that speaks to some of the collaborative behaviors that I've been seeing coming out of this meeting, and it's been really nice. Virica Biotech is really committed to continuing on with our collaborative engagements. We've had some really nice data come out of a relationship with Exmoor, also present at this event. And we are really looking forward to continuing to leverage those relationships, continue to drive our clients towards the finish line, and really just bringing that speed to patient a lot faster. We are going to be releasing some exciting updates around H2 of this year, so definitely stay tuned for that. And we're really excited for what else is coming in the market in general. So continuing with the positivity, coming out of the gene therapy winter, approaching the spring, and just really looking forward to everything else that 2025 has to offer.